I think what we should do is make a 5, multiply the 5 into the...
Okay, so we need to make that an improper, yep. So what would my improper fraction be?
So, 21.
21 over 4 divided by what?
3/4.
Okay, and remember when we divide fractions, we are really doing multiplication, right? And we take the reciprocal. So then 21 times 4 is... And then 4 times 3 is 12.
So that means it's 84. So then we have to divide the 12 by the 84.
Yep.
Which equals 7.
Exactly 7, right? So then that would be C. Okay, C and C. All right. All right, so once again, you are working on 317 and 318 today. I am here if you need help. All you got to do is just speak up and say, Miss Lavelle, I need help on whatever the question is, and then I will help you. Okay? So I don't see anybody that's finished in Seesaw. Let me check into math. All right, and nobody has completed it in Into Math. Okay? So that is what you should be working on today. Somebody has started it, but nobody has finished. Let me check Focus. Make sure nobody has uploaded into Focus. All right, I see nothing in Focus. So we are, that means everybody should be on and everybody should be working. Okay.
I need a little bit help.
Okay. What number?
3.
All right, so they gave you the equation. They're telling you that this is my constant rate. I'm going to buy one t-shirt for $3.25. Right? So if I know that one t-shirt is $3.25, what will I need to do if I have 3 shirts?
So, 1, you need to multiply C by 3. Basically $3.25 by 3.
Yes. So $3.25 times 3 gives me what?
1 second. $9.75.
Yeah. Okay, so now I know the money, and we don't know the amount of shirts. So this is my one-step equation, right? So what did we do in the last module to solve that one-step equation?
Multiplied by 3.5. 25.
Multiplied or we divided?
We multiplied.
Well, it's already being multiplied. 3.25 times
We
S.
can divide.
Yeah, so we would divide.
What was letter A again?
We haven't done that yet. I haven't talked about that yet. We'll come back to that one. All right, so remember, if I divide, that cancels. So remember, we take the decimal, we make it a whole number, right? So if I move it 2 places, I got to move it 2 places here.
Yes, ma'am.
So 325 goes exactly 5 times. So that would be a 5 that goes there. Okay? Do the same thing for $26. So 26 equals 3.25 S. Divide by 3.25. So 325 goes into 2,600. I think that one is 8.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly 8. Okay, so then what do we do with the 10?
We multiply 10 by 3.25, or if you add the 5, the 16.25 plus 16.25, it is 32.50.
That is correct. All right, so now let's go back to A. So remember the dependent, it doesn't matter if they're different letters, right? So like this is S and this is C. This is still where the X value would be, and this is still where the Y value would be. So X is always the independent, and Y is the dependent.
Dependent.
Yep. So what is the dependent variable? Shirt?
Cost. Wait, what?
Oh, dependent. You're right. I read it backwards. Dependent. So that would be cost. And then this would be
Shirt.
shirts. Okay? So then how do we graph it? Anybody remember how we graph it?
We would, let's see. I'm just going by like, what's that graph called where it goes line 25 cent, line
A linear
50
line?
cent. Yeah. What I would do is put like $3.25. So right in front of the 2 and in between the 3 and the 4
Okay.
would be our first.
Okay, so look. So yep, so we have our first point is $3 and $9.75. Okay? So we're going to go over to 3, and then we're kind of going to do a guesstimation of where we think $9.75 is. So it's not quite 10, so we're going to put it right underneath where that 10 is.
Got it.
Okay, then my next coordinate pair is 5 and 16.25. So 5, once again, is in between. And we're going to guess, right, because this is 15. So go up here, past the 15, and just put it a little bit above. Okay, my next point is 8.26. So this one should be a little bit easier, right, because it's not in between. So go to 8. And we're going to pass 20. This is 25, so we're going to pass 25, and it's going to be a little bit above. And then the last one is 10 and $32.50. So that would be somewhere right here.
Wait, $10 and how much?
$32.50. All right, so hopefully you can see that they should lie somehow in a straight line, right? Okay, I am not going to connect the line, so that's what this one says. Should you draw a straight line through the points? So when we connect them, we're saying that all of these values in between here make sense. Well, can I have a half a shirt? Can I have 3/4 of a shirt? So the answer would be no. Do not connect the lines because we cannot have part of a shirt. Okay, so that is what you should have. All right, Mariah, let me look, okay?
I'm gonna mute my mic now.
Okay, thank you.